Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our channel. Today we will discuss about the basic concept of cell. So what is cell? Cell is a unit of structure and biological activity made of an organized mass of protoplasm surrounded by a protective and selectively permeable covering. In short, we can say cell is structural and functional unit of an organism. After this, naturally a question may arise that whether the shape of the cell are same or they are different. So the answer is a multicellular organism has different types of cell with different shape. It may spherical, oval, rod shaped, pillar shaped or others. Egg is spherical while sperm is flagellate. Flattened cells occur in epithelia including lining layer of blood vessels. So, it depends upon the function and position of the cell. Now, the question is, how could we measure the cells? There are various measurements to measure different types of cell. Mostly, all the cells are microscopic. The units used to measure the cells are micron, millimicron, angstrom. 1 micron equals to 10 to the power minus 6 meter, 1 millimicron equals to 10 to the power minus 9 meter, 1 angstrom equals to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now we will discuss about some interesting things regarding discovery of cell. Living beings or organisms are made of one or more cells. Cell is a basic unit of structure and function of organisms. It was discovered by Robert Hooke when he saw empty box-like compartments in a very thin slice of cork under his microscope. Leeuwenhoek was the first to see free cells. He observed bacteria, protozoa, red blood cells, sperms, etc. under his microscope. Living substance was first observed by Corti and was named sarcode by Dujardin. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in orchid root cells. Parkinson named the jelly-like living substance or sarcode of the cell as protoplasm. Cell theory. Propounder of cell theory is Schleiden and Swan. German botanist Schleiden found that all plant tissues are made up of cells, which have essentially similar structure. German zoologist Swan, working independently, observed that animal cells do not have cell wall but are otherwise similar amongst themselves. Schleiden and Swan compared their findings and formulated cell theory. According to their theory, the cell is the unit of structure, physiology and organization in living things. The cell retains a dual existence as a distinct entity and a building block in the construction of organisms. Cells form by free cell formation. Modern cell theory. It is also called cell principle or cell doctrine. Cell theory was further modified in the light of Virchow's finding that the new cells develop from pre-existing cells. It is also known as law of cell lineage. This was further confirmed by finding of Louis Pasteur that life originates from pre-existing life. The modern tenets of the cell theory include all known living things are made up of cells. The cell is structural and functional unit of all living things. All cells come from pre-existing cells by division. Cells contains hereditary information which is passed from cell to cell during cell division. All cells are basically the same in chemical composition. All energy flow of life occurs within the cell. There are several shortcomings of cell theory. Viruses do not have cellular structure. Monerans and protistans are not divisible into cells. They are rather acellular. Certain organisms are multinucleate. Multinucleate condition is called coenocyte or syncytium. A typical nucleus is absent in prokaryotes. Connective tissues have a lot of non-living material as compared to living matter. Certain cells lost their nuclei in the mature state, example RBC, sieve tube elements. Based on the number of cells, organisms are classified into unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organisms. A unicellular organism is an organism that consists of a single cell. This means all life processes such as reproduction, feeding, digestion and excretion occur in one cell. Example, amoebas, bacteria and plankton are just some type of unicellular organisms. It may be prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Multicellular organisms. Tissue, organ or organism that is made up of many cells is said to be multicellular. Animals, plants and fungi are multicellular organisms and often there is specialization of different cells for various functions. All the multicellular organisms are eukaryotes. In this video, we discussed about the basic concept of the cell, discovery of the cell and cell theory. In the next video, we will discuss about the prokaryotic cell. If you have any question regarding this topic, please mention it in the comment section or mail us. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.